Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories 2021 Model 3 owners. Check this out. Brand new for the front of your trunk. This is our front trunk organizer. Only fits 2021 models. And look at how great it fits. It's got handles on it. You can simply take it in your house, fill it up with beverages of your choice, take it wherever you're going, drop it in, fill it up with ice. Works as a cooler as well as an organizer. So again, this is designed to hold small items that won't fly around, won't bang around, and it just drops right in. Made of ABS plastic, and also check out the net that comes with it. This is the cargo net for it, and it works really simple. You hook it onto the 6 posts after you put your objects in, and it'll hold them in place. So in case you're moving around and you've got blankets or cans or anything, it's really going to work great because they're on bungees. So it comes with the cargo net, which holds everything down. Thanks again for checking in. RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories, and these are in stock now. Thank you.